What's up, you guys? So today I'll be showing you, yeah, period, get into it, Flatiana, okay? Yeah, anyway, I'm gonna show y'all how to get a flat install, okay? Get your wax stick. Be very light-handed with this because we don't want an oily install, okay? We don't need no stiff wig that don't move, okay? Because we put too much wax on this hair, okay? It's human hair. So, we want it flowy and blowing in the wind, okay? Get your wax stick, part your hair. You just do the top and the back, okay? Where the lumps and the bumps at. Get your hot comb and press it against the roots of the wig. And you want to pull your hair away from your scalp so you won't have no heat against your head like that because you do not want to burn yourself. Okay? It does not feel good. Next is the chase method with your flat iron and a comb or brush. And period, here you are. T-part melt slayed, okay? So for the full install, just stay tuned for the next video. Like, comment, and subscribe, period.